If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. And it becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So this is not a new type of question. ऐसे क्वेश्चन हमने पहले भी सॉल्व किए हैं, राइट? इसके पहले हमने फाइंड आउट किया, ऐसे फ्रैक्शन फाइंड आउट किया. फ्रैक्शन यानी क्या होता है? समथिंग विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p अपॉन q, numerator upon denominator. Okay, this above number is called as numerator and this number is called as denominator. So we will assume that let the numerator be x and the denominator be y, because हमें find out क्या करना है? Last sentence में क्या लिखा है? What is the fraction? We need to find out fraction, and fraction is something which is in the form of numerator upon denominator. So we will assume that let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. And if these are the two numbers, then therefore what is the fraction? Yes, fraction will be x upon y, because fraction is numerator upon denominator. There are two cases. What is the first case? Everyone see in the question and tell me what is the first case. If we add 1 to the numerator and if we subtract 1 from the denominator, then it fraction becomes what? Then the fraction reduces to, see in the question, then the fraction reduces to 1. So ये न्यूमरेटर में हमको क्या करना है? न्यूमरेटर में हमको क्या करना है? प्लस 1 करना है, और डिनोमिनेटर में हमको क्या करना है? माइनस 1 करना है. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, then this fraction becomes what? Then this fraction becomes what? As per the question, no, 1 by 2 is then later. पहले क्या बनता है? The fraction reduces to 1. Are you getting it? Question में जो बोला है वो हमने किया. If we add 1 to the numerator and if we subtract 1 to the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. Now we have to solve this and find out an equation. So what we will do? We will send this y minus 1 from division to here multiplication with 1. So x plus 1 is equals to 1 into y minus 1. No. What is 1 multiplied by 20? 20. What is 1 multiplied by 100? So similarly, what is 1 multiplied by y minus 1? Y minus 1. Y minus 1. Same number we will get. Same thing we will get. So y minus 1. Okay. Now taking the variables on one side and numbers on one side. So variables में ये y इस तरफ आएगा. So x minus y. एंड इस तरफ माइनस 1 तो है ही, और ये प्लस 1 इस तरफ आएगा तो माइनस 1 हो जाएगा. सो हियर वी विल गेट x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. This is our equation number 1. Now similarly we will do case 2. See everyone, what is given there in the case 2? It becomes 1 by 2 when if we only add, textbook नहीं लिख रहे हैं, if we only add 1 to the denominator. हमें सिर्फ 1 ऐड करना है, किसमें? डिनोमिनेटर में. न्यूमरेटर में कुछ नहीं करना है. सो न्यूमरेटर x का x ही रहेगा, बट डिनोमिनेटर में हम क्या करेंगे? y प्लस 1. तो ये फ्रैक्शन क्या बनेगा? 1 by 2. नाउ वी विल डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स 2 की क्रॉस में कौन है आदित्य? 2 की क्रॉस में कौन है? x. so 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x 2x. एंड y प्लस 1 की क्रॉस में कौन है? 1. तो y प्लस 1 इंटू 1 y प्लस 1. 1 मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर पहले किया ना यहाँ पे. 1 मल्टीप्लाई y माइनस 1 इज व्हाट? y माइनस 1. सो सिमिलरली 1 मल्टीप्लाई y प्लस 1 इज y प्लस 1. सो taking variables on one side. Variables means x y z, उसको एक तरफ लेते हैं, numbers को एक तरफ रखते हैं. So 2x के बाजू में कौन आएगा? Minus y is equals to 1. Okay, this is our equation number 2. Okay, equations are ready and now we have to solve by not substitution. Question में बोला है solve it by elimination method. By elimination method. So first equation is x minus y is equals to minus 2, and second equation is 2x minus y is equals to 1. This is first equation, this is second equation. Okay, yesterday we discussed this method. What to do? What is here before x? 2. Multiply here, multiplying by 2. And what is here before x? 1. So you are multiplying by 1. So you tell me, Mayank, if you will multiply 2 with all the terms here, so what you will get? 2x minus 2y. Yes, good. And Dev, if you will multiply 1 with all the terms here, what you will get? Same आएगा, यानी कि 2x minus y is equals to 1. And now to subtract, we will change the sign. So Deepak, here it is plus, so this will become, here it is minus, plus, here it is plus, minus. So as a result, your 2x minus 2x will get cut, eliminate. And then Shubh, what is this? Minus 2, and this is sign change now. This is not minus, this is now plus. What is minus 2 plus 1? No. One number is negative and other is positive. Minus 1. So minus 1 यानी कि minus y. And next Harshit, this is minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So minus 5. Minus y is equals to minus 5. Both minus minus got cancelled, so we got y is equals to 5. So we got y is equals to 5. Now put y is equals to 5 in equation 1 में रखो या 2 में रखो. 1. So 1 is x minus y is equals to minus 2. So अभी what I will do, x minus y के जगह पर we have y here, so we will put here 5. So 5 is equals to minus 2. Okay, Abhi, if you want to find x, what will happen now? Plus 5. Minus 5 will become plus 5. So that is minus 2 plus 5 means 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 it is. 5 minus 2 is plus 3. Greater number 5, positive, x is equals to 3. So here we got x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5. Therefore, fraction is x by y. X by y means x is 3 and y is, this is the fraction.